Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Not too much action today. I think the price is trying to form a low in the support region, but it is not so easy. Also, it's Friday, so if we don't see much action today, it could very well be that the market is gonna just consolidate in this support area for some time. We want to talk about that today in this video, in this shorter time frame video. Also, quick reminder of the scenario I'm tracking here. That is a scenario I'm tracking as long as the market is holding above the red line. Any break below this red line will invalidate this bullish structure here. Well, it's not clear. I don't want to call it a bullish structure. I mean, it's not really aggressively bullish. However, we are printing currently higher highs and higher lows, and we are in a standard Fibonacci support area after the price rallied here in a potential 5-wave move up that I have labeled wave A. Okay, so this would be let's say the most directly bullish scenario that I'm tracking in the white scenario. As I said, valid as long as we're holding above the red line around 81,001. Yeah, 140, 150. It is essentially that Tuesday low, 18th of March. And then we have a Fibonacci support zone, which, yeah, if broken would be a first warning. So we've got the formal invalidation, and then we've got the level that acts as a warning, and the 82,444 level is the warning. Any decisive break below this Fibonacci support, yeah, would indicate that we are likely going to invalidate the structure, even though I have to say this here would be a B-wave pullback, and B-waves sometimes can be deep. So from a bullish point of view, this is a wave 1, and then A, B, C in wave 2, and then A, B, C in wave 3. Then this would be a wave 4 and a wave 5. So this is a structure that we can track here as a diagonal pattern. It's not impulsive. Okay, you could possibly call it an impulse if you want a really bullish scenario, a 1-2-1-2 setup, but this move up was very high for another wave 1, so it makes more sense as a 1-2-AB. That's just based on Fibonacci guidelines, okay, and we just have to talk about alternative scenarios if the price breaks below the 81,150 level. The question is, what could it be then? It will get very messy again, and we might talk about I mean, maybe this was then a high B wave, which I don't really believe. Maybe this triangle is simply just forming, and we already saw a top in that yellow wave C, and this yellow triangle we talked about is it is unfolding, and we are already in the D wave then. So, but that stuff we talk about, when we'll get to that point. For now, the support zone is holding. The price is definitely in a critical support zone from where a B wave could, where the B wave could complete and a C wave rally could start. That C wave should take us to around about 90K. That can still change depending on how low the B wave goes. And the question is, what do we need to see as a first signal a low is in? I think the earliest signal we can get is a break above the trend line, coupled with a break above that last swing high that formed today overnight here at around 84,850. And then we have Fibonacci resistance at 85,076. That would be the next step. And then we want to see the price above that X wave high that formed around $86,550. For now, seems like the market needs another low. I mean, it's just not confirmed yet that we've bottomed. As you can clearly see, what the market hasn't been able to do yet is a break above the previous highs, no break above the trend line, no break above Fibonacci resistance. So market is kind of running out of room. There's still some more space. 82,444 is next support. Price has already tested the 61.8 retracement at 83,492, and any further downside could send it to 82,444. So what I can do, I can remove the upper section of the support box. We don't need it, and hold on. And we can add the 88.7 Fib level, just that you have another level to watch in case it goes lower. Normally, however, we say that below 82,444, the structure it's not invalidated, but it would ideally holds here. Ideally So the 88.7 fib level is just, especially when we're dealing with a B wave pullback, it could be tested. The B wave is full. It doesn't need any lower. I even have 5 waves down in what would be wave C. Okay, so but we'll see. We need some kind of upside breakout signal, and that hasn't happened yet. So if we go any lower, that could just be seen as an extension of the wave C. Wouldn't be necessarily a major problem. We're already in a blue target zone from where a reversal could happen. Question is, can we refine that? Because that's a target zone based on the wave W and the X wave as an ideal target zone for the Y wave, which overlaps with standard Fibonacci support. What we could also track is just based on the A wave down, what is an ideal target for the C wave, because that might be a little lower. Let's see, A wave down, B wave up. So here we are, one second here, we are tracking the 100% extension for this scenario as well. And that takes us to 82K. So that would be the next level to watch. This is of course low, but it would still be within, above the invalidation point. And if this is indeed a B wave pullback, it could be deep. So it's something to track, something to watch for, not saying we have to get there. I just want to give you additional levels to watch because, as you can see, so far the price has not confirmed an upside reversal, but it's clearly the area where I'm watching for a reversal. And yeah, if the white count is correct, I would expect an upside impulse from here somewhere. That being said, so far it's still under selling pressure. And if we go to the 1 hour time frame, just wanted to check, do we see any divergences? Not on the 1 hour. Do we see one on the 4 hour? Don't see really any divergences yet. We have to be a bit patient. Yeah, no divergences yet. So we'll see if one forms, if the price maybe forms here a lower low on the price chart, but a higher low maybe on the indicator. So overall, not much happened since the last update. Just want to give you an update on the levels. And I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join the conversation with the community here on X, where you get additional updates. There are many additional video updates that we are sort of ramping up now until this week. I've only uploaded once a week to X, but will increase this because a lot of you are active here on X, and here is where discussions are happening, questions, and so on. We have some other formats, so check it out as well if you're interested. You can join here, of course, for free and ask questions and so on. Let us know your opinion, and it's great to communicate with the community. Thank you very much. By the way, the link to our X profile is in the comment section pinned. Thank you very much. Bye.